kuraihu and even ndarikira ndanaiga gikaro giki even ona othamaki uria muraihu ati do you know funny enough ona Museveni nde gutura hau ucio roneka ta korogeirwo hau
ni akauma onake
yes it's only that the damage iria gukorwo handikite it's so much and we can avoid it yeah but at one time
no tugabura
atuna watu watalala kwa hiyo kitu
no thina uria ukoragwo hori ni ati arrogania most of them matiwe the agenda of the demonstrations aigime hau for fun matiramenya niki turaruganira matire walk unaona most of them nio mathio kurugaruga ku
maybe nishi cia thutha because like your finance bill we were very clear ya 2024 it had a lot of clarity
no go ici cira incorporate na lack of jobs o maundu maingi na miandu mena mathire maingi riu makolabo mothe ko makauga twene tukiende
remix maka remix cocktail mothe and anyway ketwabe jabe tu kirie joke tucokererie na ririkana ndirakumenyithia cigie sawa milking jelly mane maguta magikiro ke iguru magukama ni mega kuri moko maku na ni 100% natural na makoragwo mari soft na magatigirira ng'ombe yaku ni rakamika na njira njega maguta ma sawa milking jelly monekaga na 200 ml 90 ml na 50 ml uhoro mwega ni kuri we muikari wa githunguri wiki eno sawa milking jelly ni maranyitanira nawe na arimi aria maigaga ng'ombe ciiria kure githunguri nigetho uke wionere gukama ugitumira maguta ma sawa milking jelly koguo wiyumirie we murimi wa iria wikure mena wa githunguri toiga sawa milking jelly because smoother milking starts with a gentler touch twambe tuikirie coke ithu akaida atakire kuraihu ni hindi twanjiria we've just scratched the surface dukai kunyegenyora mutambo turacoke ithu akaida atakire kuraihu
Kameme TV.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Tunakusort siku zote. Pata instant upgrade with more channels when you reconnect to GoTV. Tunakusort for Monday Madness, Telenovela Tuesday, Greening Wednesdays, Terrific Thursdays, Friday. Sit back for Blockbuster Saturday, and on Sunday, tunawaletea nothing but our best. Butter more than you pay for when you reconnect to GoTV. Get upgraded to the next highest package and enjoy bigger, better entertainment. GoTV. Love it.
No wende andu aria makurigiceirie arata hamwe na family yaku muikarage na thayo na mukenete nyitanagira nani ngugi wa karanja ngigutereba thiini wa tabere ya kwibanga guku gwa Kameme TV
urathie gucokora thimo na thimo yoti yaku
tigai kwaria mbere ya ciana
athuri mendaga leadership koguo angĩkorwo mũthuri waku ndoi ikara ũguo mũrĩ akĩgu
oro muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 4 cia ũtukũ nginyagia thaa 6
wona thĩna kĩũra rũga
kumutwarira ihwa kumuhe chocolate o mundu ena rũthiomi rwake na mundu amenye mutumia wake akenaga ri tiga guthaka na mundu mwari ndugu nake angĩkorwo ni urenda kũrũgamia mũciĩ waku
tukurehagira ageni mwaki magutara
it's all about communication
kwiyaria kwiiturura ukahutha ngoro yaku
nawe ugatigwo ukibanga
maundu maya no igubangwo
ambĩrĩria
harĩa uri na kĩrĩa wĩ nakĩo good we wibange
hihi wina kĩũria kana woni wĩgiĩ umemerekia wa Kameme TV twandĩkĩre woni waku kũhĩtũkĩra Facebook @Kameme TV Kenya, X @Kameme TV Kenya, na twandĩkĩre email kũhĩtũkĩra info@mediamax.co.ke. Kameme TV, mũthĩgi wa rũrĩrĩ.